Hello, this is my instructional design assignment. My name is Melissa McCartney, and this is for course 5318. I'm designing a course for my own students. I'm an English language arts teacher, and I teach seventh grade, and I'm designing this course for my students. They are the center of what I do. They're why I do what I do. So I really wanted to put all my effort into designing something for them that they would be able to use and grow in their learning. So my design approach has several facets. So the institutional documents I'll be using, I have an outline which I'll share with you later. And of course, since I'm a teacher in Texas, my standards I use in my classroom are the TEKS, the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, and I'll be using the seventh grade English Language Arts TEKS for that. I'll be using a mix of competency based education and outcome based education. This really fits the best with the content because I am designing a star review course for my students. And so I will need a mix of both the competency because I need them to show me, to prove to me that they understand the concepts, the TEKS. But then I also want to mix it with some outcome based education to extend their learning and offer some deeper learning for them. My design approach, I'm going to be using Gagne's 9 events of instruction. This is perfect for my students. The age level, they need guidance, but they also need some freedom within that guidance. And Gagne's 9 events of instruction, I think, are perfect for my students because it offers a lot of structure, but there's enough flexibility within that structure to really guide the learner where you want them to go, but also give them some freedom to control some of their learning. As far as the assessment pieces, I'm planning on balancing my assessment with lots of reflection pieces built into the modules. So each module will have multiple assessments in there, but there will also be reflection pieces to balance. And then I am moving my students into deeper learning because each module will offer extended learning opportunities and opportunities for them to kind of dig into the material creatively. And the students will be controlling the learning here because all of these modules are designed for the students to do on their own at their own pace. So I will not be doing all of the teaching. The students will be the star of the show, and they'll be able to control their learning. And they even get to choose some of the modules have pathways that they can choose, and they can also extend do their own extended learning opportunities as well. My BHAG, my big, hairy, audacious goal, is that learners will successfully complete a review of readiness standards for learning in seventh grade English language arts. And my 3 column table. This is several slides, but I want to just kind of give you an overview. So, my learning goals are the TEKS. So, you'll see that I have my um, each of my TEKS, the basic title here, and then I have the TEKS here. My middle column is the learning activities. And so this is what the students are actually going to be doing in each module. So, for example, for context clues, that'll be their first one. They're going to be reviewing context clues. They'll have some practice actually identifying context clues in and meanings of words within sentences and passages. And then each one has an assessment activity. So there'll be like a multiple choice assessment activity to prove that they do understand that TEKS. And then there'll be some kind of performance assessment as well. And then there will also be extended learning opportunities after they've completed the assessments. So I have context clues, Greek and Latin roots, the main idea. And then they'll move into summary, inferencing, text evidence, and author's purpose, figurative language, point of view, fiction plot elements, characters and settings in fiction, literary nonfiction genre review, poetry genre review, drama genre review, informational genre elements, and then organizational patterns. And that will take them through the modules. So, my course outline, this is going to be a 3-week course. And so I have 16 days set up here. And the idea is that they should complete about 1 module per class period, but there are going to be some who take longer or take shorter because that's the way it's designed. It's really up to the student how long they take. And that is my assignment. It is a seventh grade English Language Arts Star Review, and I'm really excited to design this course for my students.